All right, so we're gonna need drywall work done on this house. Drywall work. Need stuff like that mudded. Get an orange peel paint. Window sills. Basic settlement cracks. Need those removed. Little drywall work. There. Here. Right there. And on the ceiling. We also need the ceiling painted. A couple cracks there. This room not that bad. But we got, a couple little holes in the wall. Like right there. Corners. A couple little walls here and there. A couple little holes in the wall. Stuff like that. Yeah, imperfections there. Kitchen not that bad. Kitchen not too bad other than that up there. Yeah, kitchen is not that bad. Couple little holes there. Little drywall work up there. Yeah. Basic. Zoom in on that a little bit. Cracks. This bathroom. We got a lot of sheetrock work in here. In this bathroom, we may have to pull all this out and just resheet the whole bathroom. That's what I would suggest, just resheet the whole bathroom. We actually can go over this. This can be painted. This wall really is okay. It can be painted. But I would say resheet this whole area here. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe we can just skim coat it. Got a hole right there. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath house. This area is pretty bad. You might need a new piece of sheetrock here. If not, then we just hit it with a probably skim coat that whole area. Right there, and this is the last piece right here. Other than that, it's all right. That wall not too bad. This is the master. That's the master. Right there. And that shows you that. It's a master bedroom. So we got a master bedroom, bathroom. The kitchen not that bad. Second bedroom and living room.